So today I'm going flying in some sort of airplane. I think it's like a amphibious glider with a power motor on it, and I'm meeting up with Percy, the guy who makes these, and he's gonna take me up and show me what it's all about. So I'm looking forward to this, and yeah, who knows? I don't really know what to expect here. Hey Michael! Hey, how you doing, man? Hey, this is really cool.
Take this up to the test flight.
Okay.
Fly around.
Perfect.
And then I'm going to pull up on the beach there.
Gotcha. You like it? It feels good?
Every time I fly, it's like, wow.
So I just went for a flight with Percy in his new airplane that he just built. It was the test flight, first time he's taking it out. So it was so much fun, man. I've never really been in an open air like aircraft before. So just being out in the open air, flying around, seeing kiteboarders below us, and just seeing the view from above with the open cockpit and the wind on your face is such a beautiful, amazing feeling, and I think everyone should give this a try. That's really cool, and glad I went.